Hello everyone. So today is 27th of September and tomorrow we have both Nifty and BankNifty expiry. So let's discuss. Also let's discuss what we discussed yesterday. So I clearly mentioned that if you would have looked at the option chain yesterday, तो आप देखोगे कि OI जो चेंज था ऑन द पुट साइड, सो ऑप्शन चेन में नेगेटिव था, राइट. सो आज क्या हुआ कि मार्केट ऊपर चला गया. सो बट हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था. सो वी डिस्कस येस्टरडे दैट नो, the FIIs have done put writing, okay, and even the prop decks, they have done put writing. So the closing ones which were done, okay, on the put side, the closing positions, those were made by the retail traders, okay. So if you don't believe, no problem, just go and check yesterday's video. मैंने क्या बोला था. So मैंने बोला था कि डेटा इज बियरिश, ऑफ कोर्स डेटा इज बियरिश, बट जो इन लोग का पुट राइटिंग पोजीशंस भी था ना, तो their put writing amount was quite heavy, so it was not something we should neglect it. And so that's why, like, you saw this huge reversal. So that was majorly given or done to give exit to their put writing positions, okay. So the thing is that yes, I mean, in the morning we got the signal that market will go down, and just at the top here, that is 19,620. So here we got the signal, and if you see, we took 19,700 PE, bought at 114 at 951. If you see the time there, so 950. So this candle just right at the top, we I got the signal that big guys are taking. Some big guys were there, they were buying put options, okay. And then I also bought with them, and then this 114 went to more than like 150, but yes, I closed it at 134 because whenever I am happy with my profit, so I just close. I don't worry about who is closing or not. So that's it, okay. And that was the only trade that was taken today. So because this is monthly expiry, guys, so you have to be very careful, and you have to see, I mean, moves comes without logic. So market just went up and up today, okay, though the in futures the FIs are still heavily shorted, and still market is moving up and up, okay. So now we'll also discuss that whether this move is a fake up move and will market come down or not. So we'll discuss this in the EOD data, so wait for it. And yes, if you want such analysis, again, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. And also, like, this position I was carrying, as I have told you, like the day before yesterday, so that I'm carrying these 19,700 and 19,800 call writing positions as positional, and the 5th October one, so which I mentioned it on Twitter as well. So today I closed this the 19,700 put writing positions, sorry, call writing positions, because it was at a profit, and tomorrow if there is somehow a gap up or something to further hit the bears, so this is mainly being done to hit the bears, okay. So that's why I closed it, but I can again initiate it tomorrow, so because tomorrow we have expiry. So anyways, the main thing being is that we only took one trade, no over trading, and this is the same Telegram channel, guys. So if you want such analysis, so you can follow me on Twitter. So for this week, still now we are going at 100% accuracy. So let's see tomorrow how it goes. So anyway, so if you want such analysis, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, so where you get access to these indicators. So if you see the money flow, so it's sharply, it was increasing from 1025 onwards, okay. And then after that also, like, even if you see here, Nifty was going a little bit going further dipper, and giving a further dip, and but the score was sharply increasing, okay. And finally, like, Nifty increased or went up. Even something also happened in BankNifty as well, like you see the score was sharply increasing. So you get access to this, and you get a complimentary access to the Telegram channel. So yes, I mean, it's not something magic, like I can go right every day, but I'm also a human being, sometimes I'll make mistake. But the thing is that I try my best to keep my accuracy high, and you have seen, like, those who follow me have seen my past accuracy. So yes, now coming to the other thing, on Twitter I posted this when market was taking was near at the support, that both Nifty and Bank Nifty, they were at the support zones. So 19,558, from where Nifty exactly reversed, and also like this zone of 44,288 and to 44,210, this belt or this zone was the support zone. If this breaks, then I said that if this breaks, then look for the below levels, but this did not break and market sharply recovered and it went to the next level, you see, that we also discussed earlier. So all these levels were discussed, and Nifty, yes, Nifty went up. Nifty is a slight out of logic, okay? So Nifty is currently slightly out of logic, and this happens every end of the month, so no surprise. And coming to the other thing, but yes, it did take support at this level that we discussed. Now coming to the other data points, so FIIs have sold but not heavily, and yeah, so let's go to the EOD data. So EOD data, if you see here, that is let's go to the futures. So futures, again heavily, again they have taken the FIIs, they have shorted futures in heavy amount today also. So futures short positions are building up, and so we should go short. I mean, that's why I'm carrying the 5th October, like this one. So where did it go? So this position, so there is a little bit of typo. This is not 5th September. I just noticed it today, so it's 5th October. But if you look at the image, so you'll get to know that was a typo. So anyways, this was giving a huge profit in the morning. So as you know, like the capital required was 43k, but in the morning it was giving profit of more than 5,000. But due to this up move, the profit came down to 17 like 1,717 rupees. Anyways, again, no issues. Still continuing with the position. So this is a very great opportunity if you try to look at it. If suppose if you have missed shorting the market, so this is also don't look at it this way, that is market is going up and we have missed this rally. Look at it as an opportunity to short the market. Again, it's my personal opinion, I can go wrong, it's up to you, your money, your choice, everything is up to you, but I'm just here to help with the analysis, okay? And again, please note that I'm not doing anything illegal, because due to if you say that SEBI's license or anything, so that's required if I talk about stock, okay? So if I talk about specific stocks, so I'm talking about index in general, so there is no requirement as such as of now from SEBI that because it's it's like a thing that you cannot manipulate index, okay? Because some stocks which are low volume, so they can be easily manipulated and whatever, so stocks can be easily manipulated but not index. But we have seen index can also be manipulated, that's not an issue. But in general, the belief is that index cannot be because index is a collection of many stocks, so it cannot be solely manipulated, okay? So that's why still no restrictions as of now from SEBI, and that's the thing. So this is the it's a general view, okay? So when you're talking about index, it's a general view what you have, like you are not going stock specific, okay? So that's the thing. And yeah, coming to the thing is that yes, Twitter, you will see garbage, you'll see post people talk about garbage, whatever they think, they just say it, okay? They don't read the rules, the laws and anything, so they make it up on their own and they just post it, okay? If you think I'm wrong, please feel free to show me anything that I am wrong or anything. I'll happily accept, okay? So there is nothing like I don't take it personally, so I am very happy to rectify my mistakes. Anyways, coming to the option chain, so option chain here also, if you notice that today huge put writing has been done majorly, okay? So Also some FIIs, they have bought calls. I'll say where they have bought it. So they have bought calls, but we'll have to see whether they close those call buying positions tomorrow or not. And talking about even the put writing, so if you see the put writing amount and the put buying amount, so the put buying amount is also heavy. It's not very something like they have done it for hedging. So many FIs are still there who have bought puts as well, but clearly it's visible that the call buying has also been done. Okay, so coming to the other part, that is prop decks, they have done purely put writing, and they have also some prop decks they have done call writing. Okay, so but only this buying thing has been done by some of the FIs. So that's why I think that the first thing they will do is tomorrow close this, and then the index might Nifty, Bank Nifty might come down, but again we have to notice whether they are closing or not. Anyways, today majorly put writing has been done, and we have to wait for the fresh positions tomorrow what they are doing. And if you look at prop decks, so both sides almost same, like call writing, put writing. So there is a heavy chance that we can see the high probability that we can see that both the side move comes, and market will be volatile. And also, like, finally market might not give a very when it's giving a move on one side, so again please be very cautious that it can again reverse and give the move on the other side as well. Because look at the prop decks, they are both like they have same amount of positions on both the sides. Fresh positions being put writing, which has been taken today, but overall they have positions on both the sides, a good amount of positions. Talking about FIAs also, like they are also like the same thing. They have also equal amount of writing positions on both the sides. But yes, as we just said, some FIAs have bought calls, but that's not very important because finally, like, they can utilize those calls for their futures, heavy futures short positions as well to hedge them. But also they can close it tomorrow morning. Anyways, keeping that call buying aside, if we just forget about temporarily, if we forget about that call buying, so then again the whole data is bearish, because if you look from the FI's perspective, okay, and from the prop decks perspective, it's neutral. Option chain I'm talking about, okay, and and in futures perspective, both FIs and prop decks bearish. So what the idea is that we should maybe it's a good idea to go short in like the next expiry or something. So that would be my idea to take the advantage of this up move. And yes, surely this up move is a fake one, because if they do not close the future short positions, if they do not close by tomorrow, so then again we will be going down. Okay, so anyways, these up moves are very common in a bear market, because sometimes it's done to throw away the bears. So that's one should be very cautious about. If market moves up, then what? So then this is the next level. Market, you see, Nifty went up and like near about yesterday's high it closed. So yeah, that's how it went. If market goes up, then till where? So if you see, the next resistance or zone is at around this 19,775 to 19,762, and even if that breaks 19,930, okay, so I don't think with these heavy short positions by the FIAs it can cross this belt. If it doesn't cross, then again we are going to see some good resistance and some selling. And talking about this thing, that is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if it goes up, then 44,776 would act as a very strong resistance level. And if this belt gives the resistance, then again we would be coming down, and again these levels would be acting as the support zones. So that's the overall analysis. And if my analysis is helping you, so please don't forget to put a like, and please do share it among the other traders so that they can also take the benefit of it. And if you want live analysis, the Twitter followers, so I don't know why yesterday also I gave you a trade which gave 30%, but you are not giving a like. So I don't know what I'm missing. out anyways. So if you want such analysis in during the live market hours, so don't forget to put a like. And yes, so for those who don't follow me on Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, those who are new here, for daily such analysis. And you can also be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get dedicated analysis every day. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next one.